dust drifting through the air tonight. The marching band's warming up under the football lights. There's tractor trailers backed up down by the elevators. Train track, grain car rolling later. Get filled up and head on out in the world. It's harvest time in this little town. Time to bring it on in, pay the loans down, fill our diesel tank up and make another round. There's a big red moon coming up in the sky. Combines cutting in a staggered line. The only time of year we miss the church bells chime. It's harvest time. There's a thermos and a water jug rolling around in the cab. A set of socket wrenches wrapped up in a greasy red rag. Bobby's mother pulls in the field, bringing us supper. We grab a bite and make sure to hug her. Saddle back up and let the big wheels roll. It's harvest time in this little town. Time to bring it on in, pay the loans down, fill the diesel tank up and make another round. There's a big red moon coming up in the sky. Combines cutting in a staggered line. The only time of year we miss the church bells chime. It's harvest time. At 1:45, I kick off my boots in the laundry room. We'll start it all over tomorrow at noon, till it's all done, until we're all done. It's harvest time in this little town. Time to bring it on in, pay the loans down, fill the diesel tank up and make another round. There's a big red moon coming up in the sky. Combines cutting in a staggered line. The only time of year we miss the church bells chime.
He knows every stone that's been struck by the plow. There's a pile by the barn, by the sweat of his brow. The land has his heart and he rarely complains, and it holds his knees when he prays for rain. He's a dusty old car, hard and a light in the barn. He'll work the late hours and he's up before dawn. Every man has a story and the story goes on, from a granddad's eyes to a newborn son. Why farm is in my blood, like the sun that's on my skin. It's who I'm meant to be. It's who I've always been. It's more than just a living. It's my way of life, and it grows like seed inside my heart. That's why I farm is in my blood, like the sun that's on my skin. It's who I'm meant to be. It's who I've always been.